Now,
a little red thing on
it'll
there.
go on. Now
Yeah.
this, let's walk through the
that?
process.
Yeah.
Okay, actually I'm gonna turn this back off for a second. Let's walk through this process. So, turn that off and plug this in. So that we can go through the whole code thing for those of you that will be doing this with your middle school students. So, this is the Arduino IDE, right? So there's our interface, and this little piece of code sets up which port it's coming from. Now, in this case, we need to go out through D1. So we're going to tell this 1. And we've got the setup, port, and this is the on and off delay, right? So we're going to just compile it, double check it. It's yay, everything's happy. And when you do that, here's the other thing. You have to make sure it's set up here under tools for the board that you're using. So if I was on a Flora board and I did it to Gemma, it wouldn't work. So you would want to go find a different Flora board or whatever you're using, or if you're using an Arduino Uno board, or wherever your code's coming from, becomes important. And how it's getting from this to that, it's the USB Tiny, so that also has to be correct. So those are two things that, again, the kids aren't always thorough when they're doing it. That's a good troubleshooting place to start. So right board, right programmer, and then we can send this. Oh, whoops. It'd be good if I did all my steps. Turn this on. Before we send it, it is blinking. Don't ooh yet. This little dot, there's a little button. Press that down, and then we can send this, and we'll see if the code changes, which it should move slower. On and off. On and off. So yay.
It works.
Ta-da! We are happy campers.
You get a 90%.
So that's
Cool.
basically how that's supposed to work. Now, it's working great. The power's coming through this cord at this point. So then I'm going to turn this off for a minute. I'm going to turn this off for a minute. This is off. Okay. What you don't really want to have your battery on and this on at the same time, so just be a little bit careful. And then let's see if we can turn this on and that on. This should light up, and that should still work.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Nice.
So that's the theory. And then we have lunch. So.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.